One of the most common questions we get here at OG is, should I wall mount my pressure washer setup or should I stay portable? Now this is a very good and valid question, so we wanted to make a video to just go over some of the pros and cons of wall mounting versus portable and hopefully help you make a decision on what you should do. So the first thing we'll talk about is the wall mount setup and some of the pros and cons you get with something like this. The first pro being that everything is available on the wall. You don't have to pull anything out, set anything up, or plug anything in. You simply pull the hose out, connect the gun, and you're ready to go. That being said, that actually can work against you if you live in a colder climate where you have to purge this every year during the winter. So that's something to consider if you are going to wall mount. The second pro to doing a wall mounted setup is that you get access to a Cox hose reel. If you're not using something like the 1122 or a pressure washer with a hose reel integrated into it, I'm telling you, it's something that you're really going to want. And once you have one, it's pretty hard to go back to living without one. So if you have the ability to wall mount your pressure washer, and if you also have the funds, since it is a little bit more expensive than a portable solution, I would highly recommend doing it. There's a lot of pros to having a wall mounted setup, and it's basically what we install in every one of our custom garages. That being said, if you're looking for a portable solution, there are a lot of pros to doing that kind of setup. Right here we have the Krinsla K1122, which kind of started our entire pursuit of pressure washing and wall mounting, things like that. When Matt had this one originally and he decided to wall mount a pressure washer, he wanted to find a pressure washer that was as good as the 1122. So the first pro of doing a portable setup is that you can bring it different places, obviously. A lot of the complaints we hear about doing a wall mounted setup is, well, what if I want to clean my back patio? What if I want to go here and do this? And they have to break it down and it's sort of a big hassle. If you have a portable setup, that is not a problem at all. You basically just bring it with you, plug it into the nearest hose outlet, plug it in with an extension cord, and you're good to go. That being said, portability can kind of work against you since you do have to fully assemble this every time. That being said, I don't think that's a big issue. If you have the right quick disconnects, it goes pretty quick. Another reason to consider a portable solution is that it's just a lot more versatile. It's also a little bit cheaper than doing a wall mounted setup. You're not missing out on any power since you're basically using the exact same pumps. There are high-end pumps for portable setups. You're just getting something that's more usable. You can move it around. If you could only pick one setup for the rest of your life, I'd probably skew you towards getting a portable setup for those reasons. We find that portable setups are really popular with our mobile detailers, people like that, who need something that they can move around, that they can work with, they can send off and have serviced. So there you go. Hopefully we provided you with enough information and some pros and cons for you to be able to make a decision on your own, since this is not a one-size-fits-all thing. You're going to have to make a decision on which one is right for your specific needs. You can get both of these setups or any setup on our website at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have questions about pressure washers or setups or anything like that, you can let us know in the comments or reach out to support@obsessedgarage.com.